Hey there, if you are a Shopify store owner, integrating different payment methods allows your business to grow. Today, I'll guide you on how to add and set up payment methods in your Shopify store. Now, head to Shopify store and log in your account. At the bottom left corner, click Settings and locate for payments. Now, this is our payment interface. At the first section, you can see the payment provider, which I already added. Now at the second is the additional payment method. This is where we add our payment method to enable users to pay with multiple options. Now, if you want to add PayPal as your payment method, just click Activate PayPal, tap Activate, and you will be redirected into new tab. So they will ask your PayPal details in order to connect your PayPal account to your Shopify store. Now, let's go back to payment interface and let's add another payment method. Search for a payment method you want. For example, is MasterCard. So as you can see here, there are different payment providers that supports MasterCard. So I'll be using this provider and just click install. Now, this payment provider will access your personal data and just click install. In order to complete the installation of this provider, you need to contact their merchant email together with your Shopify URL. For now, let's return to the payment interface and activate the provider. Now, let's go back to our payment interface. As you can see here, our payment provider is already added, which allows your customer to pay in different options. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.